I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. Lasers can flourish even in the most extreme environments, and a team based in China is helping to prove it. Developers from Watsan, a designer and manufacturer of CNC machines for things like scientific and engineering research, has taken fiber laser technology to Antarctica, specifically a fiber laser marker and a laser welder. The 30-watt laser marker and 3,000-watt laser welder are fiber-based, allowing the technologies to operate efficiently without electrodes, which are not always available in harsh environments. The machines will be installed at Bellingshausen Station, where the team says they'll be used to support research initiatives, including geophysical, meteorological, and global warming studies. The technologies are also robust enough for engineering tasks in that extreme setting, like combating corrosion on metals, repairing damaged research equipment, and remarking weathered inventory containers. PhotonPath, an Italian spin-off of Politecnico di Milano that focuses on integrated photonics, will soon scale up operations with 5.1 million euros in venture capital funding. Company representatives say the funding will allow them to accelerate production of their photonic chipsets and plug-and-play modules for communications and sensing applications throughout the European and international markets. Elsewhere, the UK photonics industry overall is seeing gains. The Photonics Leadership Group, or PLG, a UK-based market research firm, says this market is on track to hit 50 billion British pounds within the next 10 years. This sector reached £18.5 billion in total turnover in 2024, which is a 20% increase over the previous 2 years. And by 2026, PLG projects the UK's photonics industry will hit between £19 billion and £22 billion. UK-based photonics companies are seeing growth too, according to PLG reports. Employment rates among 1,400 companies has increased by nearly 10% since last year. It's raining quantum, droplets that is. A recent discovery could mean big things not only for quantum technologies, but applications like interferometry. A team led by physicists at the Quantum Mixtures Lab of the National Institute of Optics under Italy's National Research Council has discovered a new way to create arrays of quantum droplets, which are tiny clusters of atoms that have liquid-like properties and remain stable thanks to quantum effect. The approach involves a mixture of ultra-cold gases shaped into a filament, which, similar to a jet of water, forms multiple droplets. In their experimental work, the team used a standard laser and evaporative techniques to cool the gas mixture, a blend of potassium-41 and rubidium-87, to near absolute zero. A magnetic field then exploited Feshbach resonance, a quantum effect in which the degree of atoms attracting and repelling each other can be controlled. The team says their findings now allow them to better explore the properties of quantum droplets and their entire system's coherence. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. Check out our Following the Photons podcast too for some cool interviews and news impacting the industry. Until next time.